Hi guys, so this is a video about the inside lining of this kind of clutches, and this is a very requested video, so I thought to have one video apart just to show more or less how to do the lining, how I do the lining of this kind of bags, okay? Let's just start, and it's very simple actually. I want to put the lining on top of the zipper here as well. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to use black one because this is the color that I had in hand. One, I already cut it. You can see better now, I think. So I cut it in that way that I will have about 2 cm more in this side and about 2 cm more in that side, and also on top. Okay, that one I can cut later. Okay, so now I will just have a row sewing in both sides. Okay, and for that I am going to use this kind of thread, which is very easy to see. Okay, I don't different color. Sewing of this side and the sewing of this side, okay? And before that I want to put inside the lining like this and see if it fits the sides. Okay, so you can see from inside that it actually fits. Don't worry about the sides here because this one I will cut. So now I am just going to do the sewing of the both sides here and there. Okay. Side I will cut a little bit. Now I will put the lining inside of the bag, and first I will fix it with some needles. To have the lining fixed in the right position, especially the corners, I will just put some yarn. Like this, everything goes in place. And now I will use the needles. Inside if you put all the needles correctly. Okay guys, so now that I have fixed the lining in this these points I will start to fix the lining on top here. But as you can see, there is a lot of fabric going out, so first I will cut like this. There isn't too much going out, I can fix the lining with the needles here, okay? Like once I have put also the needles all around. Now it's very easy, I can just start sewing, okay? You can do this with a sewing machine or you can do it by hand, which I'm going to do. I will make a very small knot and I will try to hide it underneath. Through the other side, okay? You don't want here to show the black line, so you just work in between. Okay, I'm doing my first corner here, so work slowly. Corner, and now I will just keep working this side, okay? Okay guys, here is the finished work. I just finished all around, as you can see, and I already took out the needles. So this is how I do a lining. This is without pockets, but later on maybe I will do a tutorial on how to have a pocket or something like that, but this is more useful nowadays for me. So I hope you like this tutorial, and I hope it will help you and it's useful for you. So if you are new to my channel, I have this kind of tutorials, DIYs, crochet tutorials and bags tutorials and things like that coming every week, and I hope you are considering to be my subscriber. And for everybody else, thank you for watching and give me a thumbs up.